Promotional product suppliers have to keep on-demand stock in massive warehouses. They must also have all the colors available for printing, and enough other printing materials to produce each order. A system of quality control checks are crucial to producing custom orders. Promotional bags are a large part of the promo industry. Today we are focusing on a screen-printed, non-woven tote. Welcome to how promo is made. Each order starts out here where the artwork is printed on the correct film for the printing process required for the product. She will make sure each film has no printing errors and check to make sure it's the right artwork for the job. Then the films are sent to the production floor. The employee will make sure that the correct screen is chosen for the type of imprint. Once collected, he will then take the screen to a station and add the films. He will make sure that the artwork is placed in a predetermined distance from the edge. Then he will tape down the film. The process is repeated on the other color. Now that the artwork is perfectly placed, he will place a plexiglass sheet on top of the films to make sure they do not move during the curing process. A super bright UV light is used to cure the emulsion and block out the imprint. Now that the emulsion has been cured, he will take the screen to the washroom and spray out the uncured emulsion. The worker slowly sprays the screen with water. This removes any uncured emulsion and will leave behind the artwork for the order. He holds the screen up to the light to make sure all the lines are sharp and no emulsion is left in the imprint area. Now the product is picked from the warehouse. Once he has the correct product for the order, the product is taken to the production staging area. The screen printing machine has been set up with the correct screens and all the registration has been approved. The printer will now make sure the correct ink colors have been selected for the order. Once confirmed, she will add the ink to the screens. Next, she makes sure each printing board has a light layer of glue to make sure the product doesn't slip during the printing process. The unprinted totes are placed on each printing board as they spin around. The first stop is color number 1. The ink is spread over the imprint on the screen. Then it is pressed through the screen onto the product by a rubber squeegee. The next stop is a heater. The ink is dried between the two colors so it doesn't come off when the next color is printed. Now the second color is printed on the product. Once the printing is completed, she will remove the totes and place them on a dryer belt, and add an unprinted tote to the printing board. At the end of the belt, the worker will check to make sure there are no imperfections. He then places the completed totes flat in a box to make sure they don't crease during shipping. The box is taped up and placed on a pallet to be taken to shipping. And that is how promo is made.